friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS all new 16-inch ExpertBook B5 and ExpertBook B5 Flip. So friends, ASUS announced ExpertBook B5 and ExpertBook B5 Flip, all new laptop models engineered with an expensive 16-inch and 16:10 display and strong lightweight build for extreme flexibility and business productivity. So friends, these new model laptops are set for various travel with amazing all-day battery life and are engineered with many cutting-edge technologies to improve mobile work efficiency. And friends, these include an up to 12th generation Intel Core processor with up to Intel Arc A350M discrete graphics, dual fan cooling, AI-powered config technology, and dual-SSD RAID support. And friend, B5 Flip additionally benefit from a 360-degree flippable screen plus the added versatility enabled by support for a fast charging garage styles. And friend, the B5 and B5 Flip are also packed with features protect personal privacy and business data, including vPro support and built-in fingerprint sensor and TPM 2.0 chip. And friend, both models are powered by up to an 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor with an Intel vPro platform with up to 40 GB of RAM. And friend, they also features up to 2 SSDs to provide huge up to 2 TB capacity and support RAID technology for improved data reliability or faster operation. And friend, the dual fan design empowers up to Intel Arc A350M discrete graphics, delivering wide, cool and powerful performance. And friend, both model comes with 2 Thunderbolt 4 and 1 HDMI 2.0 port available. And friend, both models also enable the connection of up to 3 external 4K UHD displays and ramping up to productivity possibilities. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.